I don't feel like retwisting my locks. I don't feel like curling it. I just don't want to be bothered.
Not the day.
When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play.
Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. I hope you're having a beautiful day. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I finesse my unretwisted locks, okay? You know the days when your hair is wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. You ever feel like you just don't want to be bothered with your hair? Like, you know you have somewhere to go, but you don't want to do anything with your hair, but it's like, what do you do? And then you're there just thinking like, what could I do to make my hair look somewhat decent so I can go where I gotta go? This is the bun that I like to do when I don't want to retwist my locks. The way that I achieve this bun is by having a donut bun. I ordered a donut bun from Amazon. It was like a 5.5 inch bun, which is very jumbo, as you could see. It's super easy. It just takes so quick to do. Achieve a perfect looking bun. Slap on a headscarf and you're out the door. Like, say that I created the bun the night before. I'm like, okay, this is how I'm gonna make this bun in the morning. It's gonna look like this. I know exactly what to do, how to form it and everything. You try to create that bun again, it just doesn't work. Like, it's sticking up, it's just looking lopsided, it's sideways, it's this way, it's that way.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Like, I need my bun to look how I want it to look, and this actually does, it just does it for me. On Amazon, there's different sizes of buns that you can get, so you know, you just get the bun depending on how much hair you have on your head. I know that the jumbo one was going to be fine because I do have a lot of hair, but you also have to remember that you have to have enough hair to cover the entire bun. This is my favorite way to achieve a style without doing too much, without taking too long, and it just looks really nice. So if I don't want to retwist my edges at all, I would throw on a headscarf, and I've purchased this headscarf also from Amazon. This is like a silk material, so it's not going to dry your hair out or anything. This headscarf is really stylish, really beautiful, vibrant colors. They have a bunch of different styles. You should definitely check it out if you're interested in purchasing like a scarf. If you have starter locks, you could definitely wear the scarf and like style it whichever way that you want so that it can kind of add a little oomph to your look. So here I have a basic ponytail. My hair is not tight because I don't like tight hairstyles, and I'm tender-headed. So I purchased this bun from Amazon. This is what it looks like, and it's just to form the bun. So I put my hands through there. Then I pull it through. Now what you're going to do is just tuck, and that basically completes the bun. So there you have the bun, and now I have the scarf. I really love the color of the scarf. It's really large and vibrant. I just basically grab it like this and just tie it. So I went ahead and adjusted my scarf off camera because I couldn't see out this little baby mirror. And there's also another one, which is a head wrap that I love to wear when I really don't want to show majority of my hair, but I want to show a little bit, like a peak. So I would actually use this and wrap my hair, and I would just basically put it over my hair, just create whatever that comes with it, you know. And you just tuck it, like tuck it. I can't see what I'm doing because I'm not looking in the mirror, but it's really simple as 1, 2, 3. So you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like a tighter look, be like more uniformed, I guess. You can wear it like this. See, like you can create so many looks using this head wrap. I have a black one in this one as well. This is my newer one. I wear my black one a lot more. I'm gonna order a red one, a yellow one, and it's gonna be perfect for summer when you just don't want to do a retwist or you just want to rock a head wrap. So this is perfect. So with this head wrap, I received a pair of earrings and a wig cap. I don't know why they included a wig cap, but if you want a wig cap, then you will also get that in the package if you order this head wrap. I'll leave the links in my description box, but they came with these earrings. This is the earrings that they came with, which is just a woman and her head is wrapped. There's a darker version that came with one of them, and then there is a lighter version that came with the other one. I think this head wrap is very versatile. You can create so many different head wrap looks with it. It's very long, very stretchy. You can tuck and it would stay in place. It's not going to move around. You don't have to worry about it unraveling, it becoming loose. Once you tuck it in and everything, you are good to go. You don't have to worry about right here lifting up. It's literally going to stay in place. Let me take a picture. Ooh, I look cute. As far as the bun, it is not like overly heavy. Of course, I do have a lot of hair, so my hair is on top of my head. But, you know, I do feel a little weight, but it's not uncomfortable. It doesn't hurt. I am tender-headed, so, you know, tender-headed honeys. When we're tender-headed, we can't wear our hair up too long. For me, I don't wear my bun for very long. If I'm out all day, it can last probably about 7 hours without me being annoyed of it. But, you know, it's a fun style to do, and it's also something that you can wear to a meeting or, you know, a date or an interview. It can be to work. If you're not tender-headed like me, then you'd be fine. I just want to create this video. Hopefully, I brought some inspiration to your life of, you know, finessing your hair. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe down below by hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to keep your notification bells on so you're aware every time I make an upload. I'll see you in my next one. Always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace.